Here we have a 2018 BMW 540i X-Drive M Sport. Now with this car you do get 4 19-inch alloy wheels in excellent condition. The car itself is finished in a black sapphire metallic exterior paintwork which looks fantastic. We've then got the full M Performance styling kit on this vehicle as well, which includes things like the front splitter and side skirts. We've also got some more things at the rear. There's another look at one of those alloy wheels. We've got the black kidney grille, M Sports badging. We've got the shark fin antenna on top, black privacy glass with black trim around the windows, black side skirt at the bottom, as you can see just there. There's a look at that third alloy wheel. Now at the back here we have got a spoiler lip just there. We've also got a power assisted tailgate, so if I press that just there, that will open up for us like so. We've then got a huge amount of space in here. I don't know if the camera does it justice, but plenty of space in here for whatever you may need. We've got storage net to keep items secure on the left. You've also got another cubby just on the right down there. To bring it down, simply press the button and it does the work for us. We do have both front and rear parking sensors with visual display as well on this vehicle. Got the dual exhaust with the black diffuser, and as you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now if we go on to the interior, starting at the rear, we've got the full black Dakota leather throughout with these incredible stitching seams there. As you can see, we've got a fold down armrest just there, where we've got 2 good sized cup holders, as you can see. Close that up. We've then got ISOFIX points within the seats. We've got the vents in the middle with additional storage and 12-volt connectivity. Storage behind the front passengers just there as well. On the doors here you'll find things like ambient lighting, brushed metal handle, got the leather with the stitching, electric windows, uprated Harman Kardon integrated speakers, and then we've got additional storage down there too. Now if we go onto the front, we've got that same full black Dakota leather interior with the exclusive seams, which looks fantastic. On the doors we've got that same premium uprated Harman Kardon sound system throughout. We've then got a lock and unlock button, brushed metal handle. We've got this lovely trim just here, electric power folding wing mirrors, electric window control as well. We've then got a child lock for the rear windows. We've got our boot release just there and some more additional storage. Step inside, we've got our auto lights on the right just there. You'll see we have got a digital display, and the vehicle has covered just over 24,300 miles. Start the car up. There we go. Just wait for all of those lights. There we go. And as you can see, we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard as well. We've then got our multifunctional steering wheel, different controls whilst we're on the go, things like speed limiter, cruise control, phone controls, volume controls. We've then got the paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of the gears. We've got auto wipers on the right. And a quick thing to show you whilst we've got the digital display on show, we have got different displays for which modes we're in. So at the moment we are in Eco Pro. This is Comfort, and then we've got Sport as well. So obviously all of these modes will affect both the driving and your display, and you can cater those to suit your driving style at the time. So those can be accessed just down there. Now moving across, we've got our start stop button with start stop technology. We've then got our infotainment screen in the middle just here. At the moment you can see we've got navigation on display. We've then got different forms of media connectivity. We've got things like DAB radio, FM radio, music collection, CD/DVD, Bluetooth audio, USB as well. We've then got phone connectivity, so we can connect our phone via Bluetooth to make calls or listen to music. Now if we go onto the settings, into my vehicle settings, lights, interior lighting, you'll see we do have the ambient lighting settings just here with plenty of colours to pick between, and these really do look fantastic, especially at night time. Now we've then got our sensors, so we've got a front and rear visual display of our parking sensors just there. And another thing we can see on here is if I go back into park, we have got our intelligent safety as well. Very safe vehicle in that regard. Now moving down, we've then got our stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left. We've then got our dual zone climate control, so we can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently. Both front passengers are treated to heated seats, which work exactly how you would expect. We've then got ice cold air conditioning there as well. Now below, we've then got this lovely trim which continues around the whole vehicle. Underneath you'll find two good sized cup holders, a USB connection and a 12 volt connectivity point as well, with some additional storage, which is where we've currently got a key. Moving down, we've then got our traction control button, we've got our dynamic mode select, which I showed you before. We've got a button to turn off or on our parking sensors. We've then got our gear stick just here, so we've got park, reverse, neutral and drive. And then when we're in drive, we can flick it across to the left, which will take us to manual / sport. So if we just go like that, we're now in sports mode, or if we change gears, we then go into manual and we can go down or up a gear like so. Now back into park. We've then got our control wheel for the infotainment screen with touchpad on top, so it's very easy to use just there, as you can see. Very handy. Now moving down, we've then got our leather armrest just here, which also doubles up as storage. In there we've got some more 12 volt connectivity. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me in this video. Hope you found it useful. Cheers. Video test drive for this BMW 540i X-Drive M Sport. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how they should. Starting off, we have got both speed limiter and cruise control. So to activate cruise control, I'll press cruise, press up, and up on the trigger just there, and I'm now cruising at 50 miles an hour. Very easy to adjust the speed like so in increments of 1 or 5, and then to deactivate this I can simply press cancel or apply pressure to the brake and we are back to normal control. We've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 7th gear, change down to 6th, 5th, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th. And as you can tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, incredibly smooth, just how it should be. Now I'll go back into auto control just there. It's an incredibly comfortable vehicle as well. We've got full leather seats throughout. We've got the heated seats for both front passengers. We've got electrical adjustments on our right as well. Incredibly comfortable vehicle that you could happily do 200, 300, 400 miles in with ease. We've then got all the modern features we could desire. We've got intelligent safety, we've got DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, plenty of ways to connect our devices to listen to music, and of course this beautiful digital display in front of us as well. Really nice place to be in here. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 1.5 years as well. So although the COVID-19 situation has had a huge impact on many businesses and still is doing to this day, we feel like we're quite well prepared. So we haven't adjusted our deliveries ever so slightly to make them contactless. And what this means is we'll sanitize our hands, we'll sanitize the keys, and we'll just do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before delivering it to yourself, just to ensure your safety and our own. Now we are a 5-star dealership as well. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online, check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now I'm about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake and also demonstrate that reverse works how it should. But whilst we are waiting, you can also follow us on social media. We are on both Instagram and Facebook, so make sure to follow us on there to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in. Okay, so emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. Very sharp brakes, as you can see. Straight into reverse. We've got our visual display of both front and rear sensors there, all working exactly how it should. And as you can tell throughout this whole journey, there's been no knocks or bangs of any kind, which obviously you would be listening out for if you were here with me today. Now this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome if you wish to come and view the vehicle in person. And all part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed in the online photos, the video walk around, or this test drive, again, feel free to get in touch. One of the team would be more than happy to help you out. And that's it from me today. I hope you found this useful, and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.